In this video, we're going to show you to install the sway bar end link on your Toyota Tundra located behind your front wheels. Using a 21mm socket, let's loosen and remove our lug nuts. Now that you have your lug nuts removed, grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now we did go ahead and spray this down with some rust penetrant and let it soak for a little bit. This is a 15mm nut on the top. We're going to use our deep 15mm socket on our impact gun. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove this. Now that we have that nut off, we can go ahead and pop off the washer here. Now we did apply some heat to this. So we're just going to remove these components, the rubber gasket. And this isn't as critical right now. Once we remove the nut off the bottom portion of this here, this will pretty much just come apart itself, so we don't have to struggle with this at all. Now in the lower portion here, we're going to use an 18mm socket. We did heat up the nut as this is pretty rusty. And once we get this out so far, we can go ahead and grab the inner portion. Pull that out. There we go. Remove that upper bushing. Now we're going to use a wire brush and clean up both brackets here. So we're going to install the upper portion here first. So what you want to do is put one of the washers here facing upward. And this type of washer that we're using has a little ring on the top. That's going to go upward. So we're going to feed this up and in to the sway bar. The lower portion is going to go into the lower control arm. Install that nut. Now that we have the nut in place here, we're going to go ahead and tighten this down. This is an 18mm. On the inside here, we're just going to use a pair of small channel locks, hold the inside, and zip this down. Snug that down. Now we have the pole jack underneath our lower control arm. We're going to go ahead and raise this up. This is going to push our suspension up, raising that sway bar end link up into the sway bar itself. Next, install the other rubber bushing with the ring facing downward. That'll insert into the sway bar itself. I want to make sure we can catch this nut on here. So I have to raise that suspension just a little bit more to get that to push up and in. All right, we have that nut caught. So let's go ahead and snug that down a little bit. Now, standard rule of thumb is when we're tightening down our upper portion here with these bushings, we want to go ahead and just crush them down just so that they swell just a little bit beyond the washer themselves. Now at this point here, we're going to go ahead and lower down our pole jack. And we'll go ahead and remove that. On the lower nut, we're going to torque that to 51 foot-pounds. At this point here, we can go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. Once you're done with that, install your wheels, take it for a road test. Take your wheel, line it up. Let's go ahead and install our lug nuts. Once we get all these started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Torque down your lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. We're going to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.